Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Narwali Wikman bin Yasin. My metric number is 191804. Today, I will present or brief a little bit about the sustainability of oil palm production in Malaysia. As you can see at the picture, basically, variety that Malaysian use to plant commercially is called Elais guinensis. The reason why we choose the variety because it contains high oil content, low oil liquidity, quite low content in keratin and vitamin level, and lastly is the seeds are very commercialized. In contrary to the smear campaigns, which state that oil palm plantation cause deforestation that lead to the loss of habitat of endangered species, which is, for example, orangutan and tiger. However, as you can see on the table, oil palm is far more efficient than the other oil crops. It's only use 7% of the world oil farming and account for 32% of production compared with other crop which is used more than usage in produce the year. The average vegetable oil yield per hectare per year also mentions that palm oil crop can produce more yield per hectare compared with the other crop productions. As you can see, the livestock production on the right picture is the main factor that can cause of deforestation. Why RSPO has developed? Actually, this industry oil had to participate in the roundtable on sustainable palm oil, which is known as RSPO, to ensure good practice among the oil palm grower of processor. The RSPO has developed to set of environment and social criteria which company must supply with the order to produce certified sustainable palm oil, which is known as CSPO. When they are properly applied, this criteria has helped to minimize the negative impact of the oil palm cultivation on the environment and community in palm oil producing region. The RSPO has more than 40 members worldwide who represent all links along the palm oil supply chains. They have committed to produce, source or use sustainable palm oil certified by the RSPO. The vision and mission of RSPO is to advance the production, procurement, finance, and use of sustainable palm oil product. Second, develop, implement, verify, and assume and periodically review credible global standard for the entire supply chains of sustainable palm oil. Third, monitor and evaluate the economic, environment, and social impact of the uptake of sustainable palm oil in the market. And lastly is to engage and commit all stakeholders throughout the supply chains, including government and consumer. The sustainable practice in Malaysia are: first, zero burning planting. When the oil palm are felled and shredded, they will left it to decompose naturally. Second, recycling of oil palm biomass. By recycling oil palm biomass that derive from the oil palm trunk, front, empty fruit branch, actually it can be used by the new plant or oil palm crop by uptake the nutrient. Lastly is leguminous cover crop plant, which can improve the soil fertility, reduce erosion, and weight. Why oil palm crop is sustainable? Because it fulfills increasing global food demand in the world, support affordable for price in the market, support poverty reduction, protect the environment and wildlife reduction, and lastly is safeguard social interest in community and workers. So that's all the explanation about the sustainable oil palm production in Malaysia. Thank you.